witches that I once knew. A red one, a blue one, a green one too. But the green little witch with a bat on her hat, she led the others with a all through the night they go. Up to the sky they would fly, through the clouds really, really high. And the blue little witch with a cat on her hat, she led the others with a all through the night they go. Three little witches flying all night over scary town with the moon shining bright. And the red witch with a spider that was green wished everyone a very happy Halloween. A happy Halloween, a happy Halloween. We wish you all a very happy Halloween. Who's at the window? Who's at the window? A skeleton, he's dancing. A mummy, he's prancing. It doesn't matter who's there, they're gone from the window. Shh. So tell me, who's at the window? Who's at the window? A witch, she's smiling. A zombie, he's walking. It doesn't matter who's there, they're gone from the window. Don't worry. Who's at the window? Who's at the window? A ghost, he says boo. A vampire, fire! It doesn't matter who's there, don't look at the window. Who's at the window? Who's at the window? There's just light, and it's green. What a pleasant fright! It's Halloween! Who's at the window? Who's at the window?